My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a great Corvette for sale right here. It's a 1963 numbers matching 327 with the optional 340 horsepower motor, number match 4-speed, number match Daytona blue colors, dark blue interior, and it's body off the frame restored. Look at our pictures on our website underneath. It's beautiful. That's volocars.com, where you can study about 100 pictures of the car. You can read all the specs and get the price. And not only this one, but you'll find a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones come out. But right now, the top's down. Why don't you join me for a spin in a 63 Corvette? I actually sold this car at least 5 years ago, I think 5-6 years ago, to a local customer. He has spent some money on it, made it even better. The carburetor is just rebuilt, brakes were just redone, and he took excellent care of it. A really nice car, especially the underside. Look at our pictures underneath the car. The fiberglass floors are raw fiberglass. That's the way they're supposed to be. No damage that I've seen. Usually when they're damaged, they gotta fix it and then they paint over it so you don't see the damage. But these are the raw fiberglass floors. The whole frame, whole chassis, suspension, everything looks restored, right down to the nuts and bolts and cotter pins. The brake lines, the spare tire carrier is all complete. The front end looks like it's all rebuilt. And it all looks, again, detailed. The exhaust system looks new. Bottom of the motor is clean. It has the screw-on canister type oil filter, which is correct for this era of car. It has the VIN number matched Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's not numbers match rear end, but it is a correct rear end with 336 gears. And again, underneath the car is like new. It is a factory Daytona blue car. The paint is gorgeous. Well, first of all, the body's in really nice shape. Everything fits really well. It was painted when I sold it to him, so this is at least 5 or 6 years old, and I don't see damage or cracking or bad body work showing anywhere. Headlight motors are new. I'll demonstrate those in a little bit. They flip right open. All the trim looks like it's new. The bumpers sit nice and level. The emblems, these grills, the emblems, the windshield looks real clear. All this trim is polished. The vent window frames are beautiful, door handles, all that looks new. Getting back to the paint, the metal flake is laid out real nice. It's a deep blue, has a nice clear coat that's very polished and glossy. You will find a flaw if you look for them. There was a nick touched up somewhere. It's chipped up and touched up right here. It's where the convertible top would touch it. There's some real faint marks from where the top sits on the body. So you'll find a few minor imperfections. For practical purposes, it's beautiful. Go to any car show. It's gorgeous. Yeah, tail lights, back bumpers, all that's redone. This is new. This is a correct original antenna. It's in real nice shape, but not new. The hubcaps, to me, they look like they're stainless steel and they look pristine. They're not worn. They're not dull. The spinners are not pitted. They are excellent. The rim is black. Tires look new. Door jambs are painted real nice. Sill plates are shiny. Weather strips are all soft. The fuzzy strips right here have been replaced. It does have the bow tie mirror. It's a little loose. You might have to replace that. It's probably going to flop down when you start driving it. The interior has been restored. Now there's a minor flaw, like there's a hairline little crack on the glove box door. There's a crack in the upholstery on the seat here, and I don't know why. The upholstery looks new. But overall, it's a 9 out of 10. All the knobs and hardware and armrests are excellent. The dash pads are excellent. The glove box door, aside from that one little hairline crack that's that big, it's pristine. It has all the correct gauges for 63. They have the aluminum cone in the middle. They did away with that because the sun hits it and reflects back at you. But the gauges are mint. It has a 6,500 redline tack. That's correct for a 340 horse engine. And then they've rebuilt the clock with a quartz movement. The interior lights work. Carpets are excellent front to back. The trim tag and VIN number are attached properly down below the glove box. But yeah, everything in here. The center console piece is not beat up. It has the reverse lockout shifter. It does have seat belts, original AM/FM radio. All that's real nice. It is the VIN number matching 340 horse engine. That's a solid lifter engine, which means it can rev higher, so they come with deep pulleys so the belts don't fly off. It's got the pulleys with the right adjuster, correct manifolds. It's an aluminum intake, the right shielding around the ignition, the air cleaner, the fan, the shroud, the clamps. Everything looks proper, and everything looks very nice. The steering linkage looks new. The master cylinder is real clean. Has the spring clamp battery cables, the hardware, the mechanisms for the hood. Everything's really nice in here. So we'll start it up in just a second. It has a black convertible top. That's in excellent shape. Yeah, new cushions in the seats too. They're not broken down at all. Nice firm seats. The crack on the upholstery is on the driver's side. This panel can be replaced. Again, I don't know why it cracked there, but the rest of it's excellent. Fires right up, solid lifter engine. Idle will come down a little bit once it's warmed up. You can open those headlights. Headlights opened right up. Doors shut real nice too. The idle's starting to come down now that it's warmed up. It's doing its job. Overall, excellent car. Really, really nice. I'm very impressed with it. The more I looked at it, like, this is a good one. Frame off restored, number match. The 340 horse is a big deal. The 250 horse is standard. That's almost a kiss of death. That's hard to sell. They made the 300 horse, and they made the 340, which that's what this one here is. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They can help answer any questions about the car or the process of buying it. We have financing, we have delivery at volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoyed the video. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.